Hey, it's the last day of April. I hope you enjoyed it. It's maybe warming up where you are. That could be nice. I guess if you're in the southern hemisphere, it's the opposite. But anyway, we're looking at TLT today. TLT has not always been the greatest to me. I do believe I just had a losing trade on in this one. And plus, it's always annoying. Now I'm noticing that these SPACs and TLT are what I call my Delta weirdos. I'll show you that in a little bit. But today's final cherry bomb of the week is a long call vertical, of which I think we're going to explore a few alternatives or some, I guess, caveats, some problems, some considerations that we should look at. But let's do our trade overview and then hop on in, shall we? We're looking at a long call vertical because the IV rank is nice and low. And TLT is highly liquid, but check with me on that in a little bit. Okay, so let's hop on in and get started. Hi, everybody. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I do thank you so much for joining us today. Stick around to the end. We'll tell you how you can join us and make this an interactive learning experience that you can join us with 5 days a week. All right. On screen here, you can see we have our old school coloring for Thinkorswim because I like it. This is not an old video. This is 2021, April 30th, right? Okay. So anyway, on screen here, you can see that the team red is winning. The only green we see on the screen here is VIX and gold, right? Volatility and gold are going up, it looks. And then gold isn't even all that much up. I mean, we're not looking at massive down movement right now, but yeah. So we're looking to be bullish on bonds, although we can see the futures here are down slightly as well. Let's take a quick look at the charts for TLT. We can see we're near the 52-week low, which is good because that makes me a little bullish. We're near the bottom Bollinger Band. Okay, bullish. I don't have any other indicators pulled up right now, but that's okay because those are tea leaves, right? Prognostications. All right. Anyway, let's go ahead over to the Analyze tab, Add Simulated Trade. The actual cherry bomb has us looking at the June 4th weeklies with 35 days to expiration as of today, the 30th. And here are the strikes that it has for us. It has us getting the 137.50 and buying that one and then selling the 139. And so we're looking at taking a $72 debit on this one. And we're about risking one to make one. Now, my main issue, and so this is that consideration here, is liquidity is, according to Tasty Trade, one of the key factors in trading is for us retail traders, right? But if you look at the strikes that we're looking at here, 137.50 has 2 open interest and has 4 for the 139. That does not seem like great liquidity for me. And so I then wonder, what could we do to improve that? Or how could we improve that? So what I'm going to do actually, because I want to test, this is Option Theory and this is why we do this. That's why we're in a flight simulator here, right? Risking not real dollars so we can test our mechanics and know what works. I'm going to go ahead and right click this trade, do my confirm and send business here. And I'm going to see that I can lose the $72 I pay for it should TLT continue to go down. If it goes up for me, I can make, and stays up for the duration, I can make $78, though I would look to close this if I got to 50% of the maximum profit. Or at 21 days, right? All right, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put this into the margin account and hopefully I get filled on that one. Let's switch over to the IRA. You can tell if you watch this channel enough, I like to test my theories and use the 2 different accounts here just to see. All right, so what I want to do is close up the June 4th weeklies and see if we get any better liquidity in the monthlies. Now you could do the 21 days, right? Or the 49. So I'm not going to compare the two. I'm going to jump out to 49 days to expiration. And I want to come on down to the at the money. Now we don't have those 50-cent strikes here, but we could do the 137, 139, buy this one, sell this one. So that's buying the 137, selling the 139. We have one contract. That was the same for the other trade too. Now, instead of paying 72 cents, we'd be paying 99 cents in this one, but we'd also be able to make, let's call it 99 cents. We could make $1, we could lose $1. I like those kinds. You know what I also realized I didn't do was probabilities. Shame on me. I do that every time, and today's the day I forget to do it. But let's take a look at the probabilities for this trade, shall we? Let's go to the risk profile, set the date in the top right, the date we see in the bottom left corner in turquoise, which is June 19th. Let's get that expected move and drag it out there. And let's set our price slices to break even at expiration. So we're looking at really close to 50-50 on this particular trade here, with a max loss of that 99. Okay, so 50-50. Let's take a look at the other trade, because shame on me for not doing that one. All right, there we have that one. Set the date, new date is June 5th. And so we were at 50 and 49, or 50-50 basically. 51 and 48. So lower probability on the weeklies as well too. So yeah, I'm cool with the other one, right? So let's go to change that to the monthlies. And yep, I know it's not traded. So what did we say? 137 and 139, 99 cents. There it is. Now we have the trade that I prefer. So I wonder if you even like trading TLT, which I can understand is debatable. All right. Which trade do you prefer here? Do you like this one, or do you like the one in the weeklies, even though it has lower liquidity because you could pay less, right? I don't know. All right, I'm going to right-click this trade, go to confirm and send, see the fact that we could lose 99 or make 101, throw that into my IRA, and call that an option theory trade. That's our final cherry bomb trade of the week. And I hope you found value from this. I hope that this helps you, and I will give you a thumbs up for making it to the end of my video. Stick around for a moment. I'll tell you how you can join us and make this a learning experience so that you can continue to get these videos and be alerted when they come out to you. The first step is get cherry bomb emails from Tasty Trade. Head on down to the description box below. You'll find a link to take you to the Tasty Trade sign-up page. It's not my sign-up page. It is Tasty Trades, and you can get 5 emails a week. 4 of them contain trade ideas, and we put those on into a simulated portfolio. Simulated so you can try all these different trade ideas. You can take a little more risk. You can push yourself to do things maybe that you wouldn't do and see, all right, what can I do? Can I manage that? So here on this channel, we take these trades, we put them on, and we also explore alternatives. If you think that would be valuable, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We'd really appreciate it. All right, everybody, until I see you next week in May, may the market be with you.